In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy 2 individual doorknobs that are going to have the same key. So right now I'm in Home Depot. I'm buying some doorknobs for a door. This is for a commercial business, and I need to get 2 keyed doorknobs that look like this. Except each package only has 1 doorknob inside it. Now naturally, if you buy one, it's going to have a different key than the box next to it. So there is a trick to this. If you look closely at the top, you're going to see that there's an identifier, a number, and it says matched numbers for keyed alike. So 20631 is going to be a different key than 20630, but it's going to be the same key as right there, 20631, 20631. So what I need to do is make sure I buy 2 boxes with the same number. That way the key is the same. I've seen a lot of people make that mistake when I send them out to go get supplies. So I hope that video was helpful for you, because it's not common knowledge, but it should be. So I hope that was helpful. Good luck on your project.